Hello, I'd like to give you some common formatting errors to avoid in infographics, but frankly, they're the same errors that you don't want to make in PowerPoint. They're one and the same, and generally they concern color contrast, formatting, and standardization. And let's look at some examples of that. Here is a bad slide. It's bad first because the color contrast of a dark blue against a dark background isn't going to work when it's displayed in a meeting room. And secondly, this is just sloppy, how that was formatted. Here's what a revised slide would look like. You have a light background, a light format on a dark background, and this is now corrected. So here was before, here is after. Let's take another look. This slide has two major errors. Number one, you can tell immediately this font is not the same as all the other fonts. And clearly this is sloppy work without keeping the standardization of the bulleting format. This is a revision. All the same font, same bullets. However, you could do it this way and add spacing. The spacing provides the ability for the reader to read more quickly. And here's another example of a common mistake. It's clear. Bullet, bullet, sub-bullet, but look at that. The chart is over the wording. This was an easy fix. Just reduce the size of your chart. Well, I hope this very short video has given you some insights in PowerPoint errors that you want to avoid and that you want to avoid in infographics.